Hello!
Today we'll be doing the blindfold taste testing. I'll be sharing my 5 items first. Alright, first I got these. Got these. Classic, my favorite. Then I have some of these. These, I like these too. I got these. And I got this. It's good.
So now I'll be sharing my 5 items. Okay. This is my first item. Then I have some of these. I got a drink. This is personally one of my favorite drinks, which I know he might hate, so one of each flavor. I don't know which one I'll be giving him yet, but when these are in his mouth, I would love to see his reaction to these. Actually, one of our personal favorites. You can't go wrong. Everyone loves it. Now that you have seen our items, it's time to decide. Do you want to go first or me first?
I'll go first.
I'm just going to go grab a blindfold. Okay, now I have a blindfold. So it's just a scarf. Wait, first, how does it work?
What do you mean?
How does it work? Like, if I guess right, I get 1
point. You get a point, yeah. You have a maximum of 5 points.
Oh, okay.
I'm assuming.
Like, I have to get the whole title? Or
Get
just, like, say the flavor?
Close,
or say, like, the flavor and what it is?
And what you think it is. A point for flavor and a point for...
Alright, so you get 2 points and you get the exact thing. Flavor and object, like the thing we're eating. And you get 1 point if you at least get the flavor right.
Cut you off. What I know you're not gonna like.
Oh, I can't... What? You got things I wouldn't like? I got
at least one you wouldn't like.
I got something you wouldn't like either.
Really?
This is a nice challenge. This is for fun because I think we should do... Comment down below if we should do one where we get things that we know the other person won't like.
Just take a bite though, like really fast. Like...
I already know what it is.
What is it?
Water. Why'd you make me grab a big bite?
I said take a bite.
I need water.
Why? Come on.
It's a Reese's cup.
Yeah.
It's actually not as bad as I remember it to be.
See?
Maybe because I can't see it.
That could be it too.
Give me water.
Here, in front of you. In front of you.
You might want to give it to me. I can't see.
Why is it in front of you? Reach for me.
So I thought you were giving it to me.
Okay, let's get another one. No, the rest of these I'm pretty sure you'd like.
Oh, why'd you start with the worst word?
Because I said, why wait till the end to give you the worst?
I have to clean.
This one, I don't know. You didn't really say if you like them or not. I don't know. You may not like this one as much. Take it. Go. You took a small bite this time. You're scared.
It's weird.
What is it?
I don't want to eat it.
What is it?
I know it's like a cookie with
What
chocolate on the outside. You know how Girl Scouts have those mint cookies with like chocolate covered?
Yeah.
It's like that without the mint. It tastes like the fudge, the straight fudge cookies.
Yeah. Alright.
Not exactly though.
Got this though. You ready? Next item. Let's see. You ready?
I don't like the way it smells.
You don't even know what it is yet.
You got like really nasty stuff.
Try it. Just try it. Try it.
It's like honey.
Try
I don't
Come
want
on. I'm not gonna list your items. Come on.
I got good items.
Okay. To you maybe. Bite. Bite.
This is disgusting.
Keep going.
I thought we were gonna be nice.
Come on. This isn't terrible. What is it? What is it?
It has to. It tastes like caramel. You know I hate
It's not caramel.
It tastes like.
It's not.
It's some type of gum.
Yes. What flavor?
Caramel.
Not caramel. No.
Chocolate.
No.
What?
So you don't get a point because you guessed wrong.
I'm not done though.
Okay.
It's not caramel. I'll get 1 point.
Here you go.
That's disgusting. You are a
It
jerk.
wasn't even that
You're
bad.
a jerk.
Alright, you ready?
You're such a jerk. I hate you.
You're gonna like this one. This one isn't bad.
My mouth already hurts.
That's extra. Here.
It's a cookie.
Okay, what kind?
Is it like the frosted animal cracker?
Yes. You got that one exactly. You got that exactly on there.
I love animal
Alright,
crackers.
this one is next.
That one's good.
Yeah.
I think I've only liked one item.
Only one?
Yeah, what else have I
You
had?
gonna like the, you like the last one?
The animal cracker, yeah, that's the only one I like.
Alright, you're gonna like this one. Here.
Is it drink?
Yeah.
Mango.
Yeah.
It's that drink you like, right?
Yeah.
Is it the mucho mango?
Yeah. You got that one exactly. You're pretty close to all of them.
Arizona
That
mucho
wasn't
mango.
bad. That wasn't bad.
Disgusting. What was this?
Mm.
Don't tell me this was bubble gum because it did not taste like
Birthday cake.
That thing was. You tasted it?
Oh.
Taste it.
I smelled it. I don't like that.
Smells
I
like
don't
caramel.
We'll do it next, okay?
Ugh. My mouth hurts.
All you
You guys couldn't see, but I was
you
actually.
had this, and you were crying, and you're like, like, what do you mean it's not even that bad?
I was actually crying.
This is what you were talking about too. It was the fudge cookies.
Did I get a point from that? Like 2 points?
Yeah, you said it was like a cookie, so
Fudge cookie, yeah.
you said chocolate, but I'm so close. Yeah, animal cracker. Exactly, you got 2 points for that.
Wait, I got this exactly too. I said
Mhm.
mucho mango. I did pretty good then.
Yeah, not bad.
Eat it. Eat it, honestly.
It does smell like caramel, sadly.
This was disgusting. You know I hate caramel, so when I
You
bake
hate
them,
cake.
I don't like cake that much. You're gonna tell me it tastes good? You're gonna tell me it tastes good?
Very sugary.
Disgusting! I told you!
Yeah.
Sadly, I wish that I would have chose really bad items for this. So, I think we should do another fun video where we do it the same thing, with like
Different
intentional
items.
bad items.
Yeah.
And I will get you back for this. You did me dirty.
Yeah, you won. You didn't like.
No, that was even worse than that. That was even worse. Never buy this. Never
I
buy
thought you would have
this.
liked this, kind of.
You know I don't like cake.
I know.
Okay, put it on.
Yeah, man.
Let's just start with the hard one.
Hmm?
Okay, we're good. We can't see.
I'm scared. Did it drink?
Maybe.
I'm like Daredevil. You hear everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not a drink. Give me one.
Don't feel it because then you can tell what it is. Just take a bite or put the whole thing in your mouth. Whatever you want.
Goldfish. The regular cheese?
Okay.
Oh, I got it too. Well, you need scissors to open it. What
Nothing.
is it?
Can't tell you.
Alright, it could be anything really.
Okay. It's a wrapper.
Yeah, sometimes it could be anything. It's a wrapper.
And it was in a box.
Like all of mine were in a wrapper too. It was in a box. It was in a wrapper in a box. There's two, so it could be.
Alright.
I already know what it is.
How do you know?
I can smell it. The fruit by the foot things. What do they call them?
Okay.
The,
Oh, what flavor?
I don't know flavors. They all taste the same to me.
They do
Something. Yeah, a lot of them do. This is like a red flavor, I think.
Don't look.
It's falling down. It's like a red flavor. This is
What would you have to guess it is?
fruit punch.
Do you even know what fruit punch is?
No, obviously I do.
No.
I didn't think this falling down.
I still have that birthday cake in my mouth.
Really?
That thing was disgusting. Okay, this one's small, so you can put it all in your mouth, like you made me do with the butter.
Oreo, the bite.
Well, mini, yeah, but you got that one right.
I don't make you eat the entire thing. You ate half.
That was a mini. That was a mini, and I know you would like it. That's like one of our favorite things.
No, yeah, I'm talking about the.
Okay,
What's it called?
this is the next one.
It's a Takis.
No,
You're so quiet.
I didn't.
Stop. It's a juice. It's
Don't
still
look.
juice. Scratching.
Okay.
Is it a drink?
Yeah.
Mm.
Why'd you open your mouth? You were.
I didn't know where you were coming from.
It's a drink.
Cranberry juice?
What?
I know what cranberry juice tastes like.
I thought you didn't like it.
I don't, but I drink it sometimes.
Yeah, I thought this was gonna be hard.
Usually they have it at work. I have it sometimes.
What? I thought you hated cranberry juice.
I'll have it once in a while. Not all the time.
Alright, so
How many do you have left?
you read it four. This is the last
Ooh,
one.
I thought so.
For this one, you're just gonna pick right or left. We have two flavors of the same thing, but I'm thinking this one because you know. But I think I'm gonna choose actually.
Okay, choose. What are you cutting?
These wrappers, like, you know, I don't know if I should open them, so I put it. I'm gonna put a few of these in my hand. They're like the same size as like animal, goldfish. So put this aside. I need your tilt back. I'm gonna put some in your mouth.
One.
One.
Yeah,
No.
we only agreed on one at a time.
Yeah, but it's big, so I have to put it on you. Like you have to look back. Just do it.
No, I'm not gonna fall for that.
Can you trust me?
No, I'm scared.
Please.
A little bit back.
Okay, whatever falls, it's on you then.
What are you talking about? Rock pop?
Rock pop.
No, what's it called?
What's the name? It's Pop Rocks.
Pop rock. I said it the wrong way. It's
I know you got one for that, but what flavor is it?
Green apple?
Green apple.
No, wait, not green apple.
Is it green apple or not? When you're done, that's your final answer.
Can't even get through some.
Because you were gonna open up. I told you to trust me. I just wanted to see your reaction to it. Rock pops.
Yeah, these are like same thing. Pop rocks, rock pops. How about the generics? Yeah, I don't know this. This could be green apple or no. I don't know.
Green apple. Is that your final?
Sure.
All right. Now conclusion time.
Take it off.
Yeah, you can take it off.
Was it green apple?
This is.
Wow. What I get for the
It's not foot by the foot. It's roll-ups.
same thing?
And you didn't even get strawberry one. You said fruit punch.
I don't know. They're all the same thing.
And
I'm
sadly,
a terrible person for this.
this was tropical punch.
Mm-hmm. Well, this is fine. I didn't drink any of my water.
You got
too.
most of it wrong.
What?
You get 0 for this one. I'm sorry, buddy. You didn't get
I
the
mean, 0.
flavor or what it is. I'm sorry. 0.
Okay. So I get
Unless,
4.
comment down below if you should get a
5.
point for this.
Technically, if we're counting in specifics, you didn't get fudge right, so that only 1 point then.
Tastes like the fudge.
Miguel. The difference is
Alright.
You weren't even
but you wanna know
close.
specifics. They're all red to me. It's all the same.
you said fruit punch.
Okay.
You didn't even say foot by the foot. You said fruit by the foot.
Same thing. Fruit roll-ups, fruit. They're all the same to me.
Alright, guys, just tell us who won then.
Bye. Like and subscribe. Say if you want another video like this, because this was kind of fun.